If you don't like Earth's thunderstorms but still find them fascinating, then buckle up for Venus's electrifying chaos. Venus isn't just our planetary neighbor, it's practically an inferno wrapped in mystery. Imagine lightning bolts ripping through thick clouds of sulfuric acid. That's right, Venus's lightning storms make ours look like a walk in the park. These storms? They're powered by a dense atmosphere and blazing surface heat. Think temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Each lightning strike adds to Venus's hostile and dynamic environment, making it one of the most extreme places in our solar system. So next time you see a thunderstorm on Earth, just remember, it could be a whole lot wilder on Venus.